please don't agree to having a female president. She will get deputy governor, will be woman. What will be name? Is that how you? When last one I saw for TV. Later, those people there on their period, they will just sell our country, give another country. Woman will get work to do for a country, go live in country, go they watch football. Try and for Port Harcourt, sir. Maybe we can just come up for government house. Come room Modara, come watch football. Before you read out that side, they say don't carry boat. Come on. No. One and not person will get work, go they do Twitter, go they twerk for this country where problem they finish. You just make more from you a doche that they don't stone one girl. I said they stone one girl, they laugh. They kill them for this country. And person will want to be president for the country, tweet about the girl. After some time, remove them. Who do that himself? Okay, camera, and I don't see who talk about me. I bet, are they careful? This country no easy like that. So now don't lose. They say don't lose Muslim people vote. Now say remove and don't lose Christian people vote. The only people who can vote for an native doctor. Whether you like it or not, the only industry we have in Port Harcourt is the comedy industry. Please put your hands together for every single comedian in the city. Now the only industry now, when this guy starts to sing, when he starts to come here, Shane they hear my voice now. Shane sing, as they just on the main song, go no hear Baba again no. Oh, I don't notice. No worry. Port Harcourt girls, make some noise for yourself. Make some noise. Port Harcourt girls, so. People who didn't around. Listen, only Port Harcourt girl where they single. They complain say rain they fall. You don't even happy say something they fall for you. That's the least I can do. That's the least I can do. Take it or leave it. When they overhype women, no. Check Anna. All the rich women for the rich men for the world don't divorce their wife. That means actually now woman be the problem. Jeff Bezos don't pushing home. Dangote don't pushing home. Elon Musk don't pushing home. You know why he never be the richest man? He never pushing home. No, more than can they take nonsense advice, yeah? They know, they listen to me. Me who come from broken home, they listen to me. This I like as all of them are they happy. I try not to talk nonsense, but you need the help, you know. A nonsense life they live. You know, they say all the while where they talk, they no pull smoke. Because the guy is smoking hot. Nobody grip on me smoke. Even in a shisha, man just. My brother, if you are dating a boy, you and your person where they call side chick, 12 and a side chick. You never marry person, they call another person side chick. All of them a side chick. You know, so now only Port Harcourt where you go see, get the save sugar daddy name as love of my life. I don't understand the life what you mean. You just ain't go leave your wife, come marry. Boy is bad though. I they tell you, some people go tell you, I will not break your heart. Not true. They don't want to break your heart again. They won't give you stroke. Oh. Boys. Huh? Fear. Guess I'm on. Are they careful? I do fasting for January finish. Man, travel go Bayelsa. One girl they go for hookup. They cause say make them pray. They get one close eye. You know, no say prayer of sin and abomination unto God. What if our car go tumble because of only you? You won't go fornicate, you won't pray for Johnny Mercies. See the worry on now. I come down no. I beg. One go fornicate, they pray for Johnny Mercies. I'm not ready to get up. I saw my own thing your big. Ladies and gentlemen, all of them Port Harcourt be sad, no funny when I be they talk English joke, I go talk rubbish. If you don't get money here, no ever friend girl. God. That's the women, they the most confused people for this life. Oh. Woman go tell you, say, in one way you get money. But actually, women don't want you to have money so that you'll be giving them all your money. They just want you to have money so that when they have need, you can give them money. Actually. All of them don't open ear like saying true. Now, me go to support woman. You don't just for woman. Yeah, support to now. No. End of nonsense talk. I'm done with you guys. I'm done. I'll just say this last one and I'll go. I mean, no verse. With the right mass exam, you say, man, they copy you word for word. So where you write 8, man, write 9. How to pass the exam? Life, no, they always balance. So, person why impress since you know they waka. Now we all come sit down. Anything where you hear, take on like that, I beg. Don't kill myself for you. Ladies and gentlemen, you all know the mayor of Peter Akwa now. Please celebrate the mayor of Peter Akwa. All this hell you want to hear, I'm going to flip back home for your next show. I hear you finish, you know, do I not come with you, I tell you lie. I know what they do for a star comedy. All right, I will not bore you too much. I just want to tell you something, but you have to reason it to understand. You know, say the reason why my elder brother fiancé leave him. Now for one very stupid reason, he say my elder brother's surname start with A, so you know one making children they sit down for front seat for exam. I told you before that the only industry we have in Port Harcourt is the comedy industry, whether you like it or not. Okay, back to nonsense talk. They say they will give me 2 minutes to talk one more nonsense talk. There's a guest now, the most amazing set of people. If you don't chat to get for a long time, go to talk, say, me, I can cook really well, I can cook. Daddy, he can't go. He can't cook for you. You they eat them. You never talk anything, you go start to complain. Ah, today that they even put dragon breast. That's what you get. Not scarce. And the ritual not easy now. But if you see some procedure to do ritual, how then go tell you say me no frown on Saturday? What if man you play match? How many of you I believe say you supposed to preach to court is going to give a life to Christ and problem no go there? That's what we do. What they call them outreach go diobo. We can go preach give one guy. He said when I court is he can give a life to Christ. You know all those simple things. But when we want to go do evangelism, children teacher, when we want to go do evangelism, the boy can say one follow us, saying one they learn how to preach. My pastor can preach to the first person, he they watch. Preach to the second person, he they watch. I be don't always shock also. When we can see the third person from afar, the guy can. Oh, now what that begin? I know why they tell you. Maybe now go the crack joke where when I don't shout for money, I reach my tongue, small became the shout for me. I know it's hard to tell. Oh, where be there? Oh, but as the guy see the third person, he can they sing one song. Awaka waka no one. Another that song abi. But the one walk on the year na awaka waka no one. I say no one. I come to my pastor say the guy can say no, daddy I don't learn. I go preach give this person. Now we leave him. He come meet the guy say, "Ah boy, lap." The boy can't lap. He say, "Who they go Dominion City? You know this man right there and I be an executioner." Pastor say me. He say, "You know be executioner?" Pastor say, "Yes, now." He say, "Tomorrow now na service and I want me follow me go church." The boy say, "Okay, senior man, no problem. I go follow you go church tomorrow." As the boy want go inside and say, you should say you go call church tomorrow. The boy say yes. You should say you go call church tomorrow. The boy say yes. He say, okay, no one, give me your phone tomorrow. You go let her for church.